Today on the DIY Gourmet, we're making hash browns, deep fried. The kind you know you love, but wonder, can I cook that at home? And yes, you can. Preheat the pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius. Get your frozen hash brown. Put it in about a quart, which is I think a little bit less than a liter of cooking oil. And then check your mise en place, the list is up there. And flip it after each 90 seconds. And then this last part, the last about 15 to 30 seconds, you want to keep it vertical. That way it gets cooked on both sides, because one of the problems cooking it at home is that it doesn't get evenly on both sides because the heat's coming from below. Most commercial restaurants would have these holders that hold them vertically and allow that cooking process to happen naturally while they're in the deep frying oil. But to do that at home, that's why you need that little extra bit. So after the 3 minutes of cooking time for the hash brown, it's basically done. If you want it any crispier than that, let it go for a little while, but watch that it doesn't get too toasty, because then it starts to get bitter. Do it yourself gourmet, everybody. This is how you cook hash browns in the deep fryer at home, or if you just don't have a big giant deep frying machine wherever you are. See you next time.